Well, I think we are on the stupidest idea yet. We just had a whole day of snow down here in Squamish, and the first thing I want to do is go and ride dirt bike. That's just great. But let's go see how fun it is. My little wish yesterday talking about wanting to ride some snow came true literally the day after, so let's go see how it is! Man, I think braking is going to be the hardest thing.
There's like no grip.
That was crazy.
It's the kind of snow that you're not even getting to the bottom. We're just gonna like compress it and turn it into sludgy,
Yeah.
slippery stuff.
I don't know. I think it'll still be good.
It'll be entertaining.
All right. Well. Yeah, baby. This is already so much fun. We're not even on the trail. Ah, so good. Woo. Oh, so nice. Oh, that back brake. Oh my God. Oh, baby. I just missed the trail. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh. It's weird, there's kind of grip but not. Gotta watch out for what's hiding. Whoa. There's oddly grip. Oh. I didn't think I'd make it up that. Oh.
This is so cool looking.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Wild.
Whoa! Snow on the pegs. I'm starting to slide off my foot pegs. I'm in like fifth gear, just fucking spinning it. Oh my God, this is so much fun. So sick.
So cool.
Wow. Did you want to fly the drone there?
Maybe we could do part of this zone. We could also do this straight zone through here.
Oh yeah, it's one straight zone here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Honestly, the fresh stuff has got so much more grip. Whoa! I'm losing him. This might be ambitious. Back to the stuff that we know. I think that was the perfect amount of fresh snow to dirt bike in. So if you're wondering, I reckon a 5 centimeter, I don't know, probably like 5 to 8 centimeters. So if it ever snows that much on your trails, get out there and have some fun, even if it's at night. Because honestly, oh, it is so much better. Besides almost eating shit right there. I think it's probably one of the craziest things, woo, that I've done yet. I'm so happy I convinced Jack to get out of his nice warm house to join me tonight, because honestly we're having the freaking time of our lives. But we're gonna call it one. We're heading back down now. We had our fun, so hope you guys enjoy this cheeky vid. And I'll see you next time. Yeah. See you later, guys. Woohoo! Oh, ha! Woohoo! Dirt bike sledding, boys. Oh! You good?
Yeah, I'm totally fine.
Oh my god. Dude, that was kind of crazy.
I should have known that was gonna happen. Fuck. The good news is it's so slippery.
You just slid.
Literally didn't hurt at all.
Oh my god.
That was so dumb. Look at the fucking... I'm just putting it in here to get home.
Oh yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.